Stop the racism and prejudice in targeted areas around the country. This photo is for my flyer. I left it a white background because the photo is just appealing to the eye when it comes to looking at the information around it. It gives a little area with a boat and showing peace within the country. General areas that need the help, like India and Egypt, finding the acceptance in your mind and heart to let ones do as their heart follows. Never judge as you would not want to be judged. Judging somebody for their prejudice or their race is what we're trying to stop in America as well as other countries. This little photo is just for extra peace and acceptance to your country. This is showing diversity makes us stronger and end discrimination. Just showing the sadness and what it looks like to be in a racism area. That's the image for the website, and the logo is saying, "Say no to racism. We are all human." And that's about it for the flyer for a different country.